Good morning everyone. How are you all? I am Miss Deepshikha. I am the class teacher of LKG for the session 2020-2021. Before we begin, I want you all to get ready with your notebook and pencil for a fun activity class today. So, without wasting further time, let's get started. In today's class, we will be studying about alphabets, how they are formed using different lines. But before we begin, let's learn ABCD thoroughly. I hope you all have learned ABCD by now. So now in this slide, we will see how the combination of two different lines make an alphabet, such as one standing line drawn first and one sleeping line joined at the end together makes the letter L with the sound called la, L la, lion, that is shown at the left hand side of the slide. Similarly, one sleeping line drawn first and then one standing line joined together makes the letter T with the sound called T, turtle, given in the middle of the slide. Moving ahead, one sleeping line joining two standing lines through the center makes the letter H, coming with the sound called H, horse, shown at the right hand side of the slide. Let's turn to the next slide now. In this slide, few more examples are being shown to enhance the knowledge of the concept taught, like one standing line joining two sleeping lines in the center forming the letter I. I is for ice cream, shown at the left hand side of the slide. Moving to the center, we see one standing line being joined by three sleeping lines at the end, making the letter E. E is for elephant. Now, going towards the right side of the slide, we see one standing line joined by two sleeping lines at the end, forming the letter F. F for fish. In this slide, we will learn about how alphabets are related to standing line, sleeping lines and slanting line. First of all, look at the point given. The alphabets will be a combination of sleeping, standing, slanting and curved lines. For example, letter T is written with one standing line and one sleeping line. Similarly, letter L is a combination of a standing line and one sleeping line. In today's class, we will learn only how to write letter L. In the previous slide, I have already told you that letter L is a combination of one standing line being joined by one sleeping line at the end. Now, we will study step by step how to write letter L. First, we will join the dots starting from the red line in your notebook till the second blue line of the notebook. After drawing the standing line, we will draw sleeping line from the end of the standing line towards the dot given. In this way, we will learn how to make the letter L. Here are the examples related to letter L. The first one is L ladder. Ladder matlab सीढ़ियाँ. The second one is L leaves. Leaves matlab पत्ते. And the third one is L lion. Lion matlab शेर. comes your practice writing sheet for the letter L. In this, you have to join the dots and make the letter carefully and neatly. You can draw it using pencils or your different crayons. Moving ahead, I have given you the assignment related to letter L. In the first question, at the left hand side, you have to color the objects related to letter L. And you all know the objects as I have already shown you in the previous slide. Then, in the second question, you have to circle the correct letter by seeing the picture. Now, in this slide, first you have to trace the letter L, and in the second question, you have to first color the letter L, then color the images starting with the letter L. I hope you all enjoyed and learned the concept taught thoroughly in the class. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.